Hi, how are you, my YouTube family? Welcome to Auto Excel. Today, review beautiful latest model 2026 BMW M5 sedan. Let's start overview. The 2026 BMW M5 is the newest generation G90 of the M5 sedan with a plug-in hybrid powertrain combining a traditional 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 plus an electric motor. It's built for high performance while incorporating electrification for things like instant torque, better efficiency under some conditions, and partial electric driving. Engine power and performance. Parameter value. Combustion engine 4.4-liter twin turbocharged V8. Electric motor slash hybrid system, a high voltage electric motor integrated into the 8-speed M Steptronic gearbox plug-in hybrid system. Total output 717 horsepower and 738 lb-ft torque, that is approximately 1000 Nm in some markets depending on metric conversion. Electric motor alone 204 lb-ft torque from the electric part alone. 0 to 60 miles per hour or 0 to 100 km per hour time, about 3.4 seconds from standstill to 60 miles per hour, approximately 0 to 100 km per hour in typical spec. Top speed. Standard top speed is about 155 miles per hour or 150 kilometers per hour. But with the optional M drivers package, this increases up to approximately 19 miles per hour or 305 kilometers per hour in markets where allowed. Dimensions, weight and chassis. Parameter value. Length is about 200.6 inches with excluding mirrors. Width about 77.6 inches, 77.6 inches per different spec. Height about 59.4 inches. Wheelbase about 118.3 inches. Curb weight reported about 5,390 pounds or 2,445 kilograms depending on trim or options, heavier than some non-hybrid predecessors. Battery, electric range and hybrid features. Usable battery pack is somewhere around 14.8 kWh in the US spec. EV only range is about 25 to 30 miles or 40 to 50 kilometers under ideal conditions. Charging power level 2 charging for home charger peaks around 11 kilowatt in many specs. Suspension, drive and handling. Drivetrain, all-wheel drive with BMW's MX Drive standard. Transmission, 8-speed automatic integrates with the electric motor. Adaptive M suspension, electronically controlled dampers. Rear axle steering also standard. Other performance features, torque varying active stability control, optional carbon ceramic brakes. Exterior and styling. The styling is aggressive and more distinct compared to standard 5 Series, flared wheel arches, muscular bodywork, wider track. Wheels, staggered sizes, 20-inch in front, 21-inch in the rear are standard. Lighting, adaptive LED headlights, M shadowline lighting. The grille is more enclosed in solid with premium or high gloss finishes. Interior and features. Seating capacity 5 passengers. Materials, high quality finishes with options for extended merino leather, ambient lighting, seat heating, ventilation, massage in many markets. Cargo, trunk space about 16.5 cubic feet in US spec. Driver assistance and safety. Features like forward collision mitigation, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, speed limit info, parking assistance plus rear view camera, etc. Price and market availability. US MSRP starts around US $121,900 for base plug-in hybrid AWD sedan. Pakistan, estimated PKR 34,375,800 rupees or US $121,900 for standard model. It is expected to launch in markets like Pakistan around mid-2025 or so. Pros and trade-offs. Pros, very high power output plus instant torque from electric motor, better fuel energy efficiency under light or urban driving than a pure V8 with PHEV, modern driver assist luxury features, high-end build quality, high performance with AWD, solid 0 to 60, 0 to 100 times. Trade-offs, increased weight due to hybrid hardware, battery, motor, etc. may affect agility versus older lighter M5s. High cost both when new price and likely maintenance servicing costs higher. Thanks for watching and subscribe channel.